the aftermath of the Second World War, human civilization took stock of the situation and realized the terrible havoc war creates. Organization like the United Nations is an international organization founded in 1945 after the Second World War. The UN has four main purposes: to keep peace throughout the world, to develop friendly relations among nations, promoting social progress with better living standards, to be a center for harmonizing the actions of nations to achieve these goals. While all of this major encounter with peace began the world over, in 1951, Doris T. Allen founded an international organization called CISV International, or Children's International Summer Villages, wherein children and youth were seen as the ideal starting point for peace education with the aim of achieving world peace through cross-cultural understanding. International youth meetings are for children aged 12 to 13 years for a duration of 15 days that feature individual themes that allow young people to explore intercultural issues. The program reinforces core CISV values of building global friendship through diversity, conflict resolution, human rights, sustainable development, builds leadership and organizational skills while promoting continued CISV involvement. The CISV India chapter, City Montessori School, hosted the International Youth Meeting, wherein children from 5 countries, namely Italy, France, Vietnam, Indonesia, and the host country India, under the camp director from Japan, Ms. Masao, and 3 staff members from Japan and India, organized the 15-day-long camp. Peace education is the process of acquiring the values, the knowledge, and developing the attitudes, skills, and behaviors to live in harmony with oneself, with others, and with the natural environment. Based on the international norms, the delegations comprising of 8 students and a coordinator from each country and the staff were given a fire demonstration at the CISV building of the World Unity Convention Center.
And this is the main motor. Through which they generate that pressure. They have a ladder to reach. They put their life. So give a big cheers for all these 5.
At the Teachers' Welcome function, the delegation of CISV Youth Meeting on the topic Environment and Sustainable Development gave a live introduction of this international youth meeting that provides an opportunity for young people to explore important intercultural issues. Studies show that face-to-face contact and interaction are the best way to enhance cross-cultural competence. CISV Nights is one such activity in which, in a very relaxed and informal way, each country delegation introduces their country, cuisine, and way of life with the others. In this journey of learning, let us visit France. French are known for their fine food and beverages, fine dining, fashion, and a highly evolved, refined living. So, here we go. Italy, its capital Rome, once was a thriving civilization that began growing on the Italian peninsula as early as the 8th century BC. In its approximately 12 centuries of existence, Roman civilization shifted from a monarchy to an aristocratic republic to an increasingly autocratic empire.
Before Christ. This is how we had fun. Rome is the best city in the world. We have the Colosseum. From We have the biggest empire of the Occidental world.
Today, these CISVians of youth meeting are our young ambassadors from their countries. So, here we go. Welcome to Indonesia. Across its many islands, Indonesia consists of distinct ethnic, linguistic, and religious groups. Indonesia has developed a shared identity defined by a national language, ethnic diversity, religious pluralism within a majority Muslim population, and a history of colonialism and rebellion against it. Despite its large population and densely populated regions, Indonesia has vast areas of wilderness that support the world's second highest level of biodiversity. The country has abundant natural resources. Young CISVians from Indonesia, through little games, opened windows to the diversity of their country. Back home, the Indians began the nights with an apt slogan: "United we stand and divided we fall."
Then they picked one stick and tried to break it.
It's so easy. Even it is breakable. It's unbreakable. As you have seen, when you pick one stick, you were able to break it.
Incredible India, as always, has lot to offer, be its hospitality, its culture, tradition, long and ancient history and civilization, to modern economic growth and development, with over 1 billion Indians becoming a power to reckon with. It was a fun-filled evening when everybody danced the night to many latest Indian songs from the famous Bollywood. Hidden Charm, Vietnam, is located on the eastern Indochina Peninsula. Vietnam has been, for much of its history, a predominantly agricultural civilization based on wet rice cultivation. Manufacturing, information technology, and high-tech industries now form a large and fast-growing part of the national economy. Though Vietnam is a relative newcomer to the oil industry, it is currently the third largest oil producer in Southeast Asia. Vietnam has an extensive state-controlled network of schools. School enrollment is among the highest in the world. Watch on our young CISVians from Vietnam share their country with us. CISVians had a gala time at the Dream World Water Park to beat the heat. The days at the CISV International Youth Meeting Camp would be spent through little activities like painting, crafts, to enhance learning. Children aged 12 to 13 years from Indonesia, Vietnam, Italy, France and India participating in 15-day CISV International Youth Meeting hosted by City Montessori School, Lucknow, met the Chief Minister, Mr. Akhilesh Yadav, with great joy and happiness. On the occasion, children presented the CISV song at the venue.
Sharing all they have to give, learning how to love and live. In our hands the future
Founder manager of City Montessori School, Dr. Jagdish Gandhi, expressed his profound gratitude to him for sparing his invaluable time to meet the children. He said, CMS is making tremendous effort to see that each child follows the path of godliness and imbibes the thoughts that service to mankind is true service of Almighty God.
I would like to say a few words about our Honorable Chief Minister, the most dynamic personality for the information of our CISP campus. Born at Kathari in Etawah, district of Uttar Pradesh, Mr. Yadav obtained Bachelor of Engineering degree from University of Mattur.
Mr. Akhilesh Yadav said that today the whole world respects Indian culture and that he had firm faith that these children will imbibe the values inherent in Indian culture and spread them in the world and learn new things during their stay here. He inspired the students to strive towards achievement of excellence and bring name and fame for their country.
मैं सबका धन्यवाद देता हूँ, स्वागत करता हूँ। सबसे ज़्यादा धन्यवाद दूंगा क्योंकि मैंने हमेशा कहा है और माना है कि बच्चे समाज के देश के फाउंडेशन होते हैं, नींव है ये लोग। अगर नींव अच्छी होगी तो अपने आप भविष्य भी अच्छा होगा। I appreciate one thing more that you learned at least one thing in Hindi, that is Suprabhat and how are you, I guess.
Well, friends, every good thing comes to an end with the promise of a better tomorrow. CISVians of International Youth Meeting from India, Indonesia, Vietnam, Italy and France through a party for each other joined in by the camp director, leaders and CISV staff members. Here are the glimpses from the night of fun, frolic and entertainment. Montessori School efforts to impart an education for protection and security of the world have altered young people's attitudes, have diffused conflict situations, have inspired social action, have received widespread coverage and recognition. Jai Jagat.